Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore one of the most incredible creatures that ever lived on Earth. It was not a dinosaur, but it lived during the age of dinosaurs and ruled the skies. This creature is called Quetzalcoatlus, the largest flying animal ever discovered.
What is Quetzalcoatlus?
Quetzalcoatlus was a pterosaur, which means it was a flying reptile, not a dinosaur. However, it lived alongside dinosaurs during the late Cretaceous period, around 70 million years ago. Fossils of Quetzalcoatlus were first discovered in Texas, USA, and later evidence suggested it lived across parts of North America. Enormous size that defies belief. The size of Quetzalcoatlus is almost unbelievable. Its wingspan reached about 10 to 11 meters. Similar to a small airplane, it stood as tall as a giraffe when on the ground. It weighed approximately 200 to 250 kilograms. Imagine standing next to a creature taller than a giraffe, with wings wider than a bus is long. That was Quetzalcoatlus. Could it really fly? One of the most common questions is, how could something this big actually fly? Scientists believe Quetzalcoatlus had extremely powerful forelimbs and wings. It likely used a unique launch method, pushing itself into the air using all four limbs at once, like a massive leap. Once airborne, it could glide long distances using air currents, much like modern albatrosses, but on a much larger scale. It may have flown at high altitudes and traveled hundreds of kilometers without landing. What did Quetzalcoatlus eat? At first, scientists believed Quetzalcoatlus was a fish eater. However, modern research suggests a different lifestyle. Quetzalcoatlus likely hunted on land, walking across open plains and using its long beak to snatch up prey. Its diet may have included small dinosaurs, lizards and mammals, turtles, and large insects, fish. When available, this makes Quetzalcoatlus a ground stalker, not just a sky hunter.
Living in the age of T-Rex. Quetzalcoatlus lived during the same time as Tyrannosaurus rex. While T-Rex ruled the land as the ultimate predator, Quetzalcoatlus dominated the skies, becoming the apex aerial predator of its time. Together, they represented the power of land and sky during the final age of dinosaurs. Why did it go extinct? About 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid struck Earth. This catastrophic event caused global fires, climate change, and the collapse of ecosystems. Like the dinosaurs, Quetzalcoatlus could not survive the sudden loss of food and environmental stability, leading to its extinction. Final thoughts. Quetzalcoatlus was the largest flying creature ever known, a powerful hunter on both land and in the air, a true giant of the prehistoric world. Even today, it remains one of the most astonishing animals science has ever discovered. Quetzalcoatlus was not just a flying reptile, it was a prehistoric ruler of the sky.
Please like, comments, and subscribe.